Hi everyone, it's Natalie Bowen from Indah Island. I'm here at the Hamptons Farm Project and I'm here to launch an incredible competition for the Cushion Factory. We've had the privilege of working with these guys to do all of our outdoor cushions alongside the 3 Beaches Textiles with all the beautiful Sunbrella fabrics, and they have launched a competition today to win $2,000 worth of product coordinated with them making 3 Beaches fabrics. And I've got to tell you, if there was ever a time that you wanted to do this when you're at home and you're getting bored and you're thinking of things that you can do, you can enter today, the month of May. It goes the whole month at the Cushion Factory. These guys have been amazing through this whole project. I'm so looking forward to you seeing it all on TV. You've seen it in the magazines. Now it's your opportunity to actually have $2,000 worth of incredible custom-made product with the 3 Beaches fabric. So go on to the Cushion Factory today. You'll see it on our Instagram.